Good morning. So we are going to complete one more exercise, that is the eighth one. In this there are only circle and arc. So this will be a interesting one to complete the sketch with minimum dimensions and constraints. So let us start this exercise. So new, then sketch 8, sketch 8, okay. Then in this menu, so here you can go and sketch in task environment. You can select this. Then select a plane, this plane, then OK. Now we will study the drawing here. So here if you look at this drawing, there is a R40, one circle is there, R40 or 2 curve. So let us draw 2 curve. Let us draw arc, center point arc from this center, here one arc, and same thing, this as center, and we will draw one arc here also. Oh, this horizontal, we do not need the horizontal constraint. Whatever is not required, we'll delete. Actually we can make this both equal radius, and this radius is 40. Close. Now at the center there is 26 diameter 2 circles. Let us draw those circles. So one circle here, another one somewhere here. So we can select these two and make it equal, and the diameter is 26, and the center to center distance is 46. Let us give the dimension from this center to this center. It is 46. Now we want to make this symmetry, so we can make this symmetrical, this point and this point about this. Let me check. Okay, this is not moving. It's also not moving. Already it is set. Now we can make the fillet, this circle to this circle here. Okay, one fillet there. Another one fillet we will make on the other side. Cancel. So we will make the fillet, this edge first, this edge. Cancel. So again fillet this edge first, then this edge. Like this we can add the fillet. Similarly we will make it equal. So let us close this. So when red color comes you have to select, then equal, and this radius is, it is 24. Now we can trim the unwanted lines. Quick trim. This we can trim. Okay. Next we can draw these two circles, this circle and the other curve, dia 18, R18, somewhere here. Dia 18, arc R18. Okay. So this is R18 and this one is dia 18. Okay. Now next thing we have to make arc. So R88, R52. So let us draw 3-point arc. So this is R82, okay. I think before completing that we have to make the length and the center distance, that is 56 and 55. So from, so this is, this is 56 and from here to here 55. We can make a tangent C. So let us complete this tangency first. Tangent. '82, 88 it is. So this is 88. And here this radius, this radius is 52. So this we can make 52. Now we will add a tangency, this and this tangent, this tangent. Okay, that portion is over. Now we can make the other side. This is dia 40 R15, dia 14 R15, dia 14, then curve, center point curve, dia 14, this is R15. Now here we will, okay, let us complete the constraints. So this point is coincident on this axis. Coincident. Then the height 75. So let us give the dimension here. It says 75. We can add a arc, 3-point arc. So this radius value is 112. So this we can change to 112. Then we will add a tangency. So this, select this curve and this arc, tangent here, this also tangent. Now another one arc here, this point, here, and first we will add a tangency here, this tangent, this tangent. Now that radius is 25. This is 25. Sketch is fully constrained. Okay. So that is it. So we have completed one more exercise related to sketch and constraints. So finish. So let us extrude this to check. Okay, correct here. Okay, so that is also okay. Then save it. So thank you.